So today we are going to study a problem on potentiometer. Okay. So see the problem. A potentiometer wire has a length of 10 meter and resistance 20 ohm. So I have drawn the circuit diagram for you. This AB is the wire whose length is 10 meter and resistance is 20 ohm. A 2.5 volt battery of negligible resistance is connected across the wire with 80 ohm series resistance. So we have a 2.5 volt battery with negligible resistance. What does that mean? That the internal resistance is 0. Okay. So it is connected across this wire with a 80 ohm resistance in series. So this 80 ohm and this wire are in series. What does that mean? That the same current is flowing through this 80 ohm and this 20 ohm wire. Okay. We have to find the potential gradient of the wire. The potential gradient of the wire will be. So we have to find this potential gradient. What does potential gradient mean? Potential gradient is nothing but how the potential is changing over this length of the wire, right? So we know the formula for potential gradient. Potential gradient is V by L, right? So we have to find the V or the potential difference across this wire AB. Now to find that potential difference, we will have to find the current flowing through this wire, right? So in general, I'll have to find the current flowing through this circuit because the same current is flowing through this wire AB. How to find the current? Ohm's law, right? So we will use Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. What is V? V is 2.5. Potential difference across this entire circuit, right? We have connected a battery of 2.5 volts. So V is 2.5 volts. I is the current flowing through this circuit, which I have to find out. R is the resistance. Now we have this 80 ohm and 20 ohm connected in series. Same current is flowing through both of them. So the net resistance of this circuit is going to be 80 plus 20, right? So 80 plus 20, that is 100. So I will get I, that is the current, is equal to 2.5 upon 100 ampere. This is the current flowing through this wire AB, right? Now let's find out the voltage across this wire AB. So I will call it as VAB. This VAB is equal to I, that is the current flowing through this wire, into the resistance of this wire, into the resistance of this wire. So what is I? I is 2.5 upon 100 and RAB, that is the resistance, is 20 ohm. It is given to us. So 2.5 upon 100 into 20 gives me 0.5 volt. This 0.5 volt is the voltage across this potentiometer wire AB. We want to find the potential gradient, that is VAB upon L. Okay, so VAB upon L is equal to VAB, that is 0.5 divided by L, that is 10 meter. So 0.5 upon 10 gives us 0.05 volt per meter. Unit for potential gradient is volt per meter. So potential gradient is equal to 0.05 volt per meter.